Testing 1, 2, 3. Welcome, guys, to a new session of Semantic Backup Exec tutorials. Today, I'll be showing how to create a new backup disk folder under Semantic Backup Exec 2015. Okay, and currently the VM is still coming up, which is my test environment. So let's wait. Yeah, it's up. So. Hello, చెప్పండి. అవునండి. ఏంటంటే అది ఇంటర్ బ్రాడ్బ్యాండ్ కదండి. ఓకే, 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 ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. మరి కట్టించుంటే ఒకసారి నేను చెక్ చేస్తానండి. ఓకే, అలా యా, మోస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లీ అయిపోతుంది. ఓకే, ఎంత ఉంది అవుట్ స్టాండింగ్? 2000 ఎంత ఉన్నదేమో కదా. 24 4277. 4277 అయిందండి. అది అంత ఎక్కువ రాకూడదండి. అది ఏం యూసేజ్ ఉన్నదండి దాంట్లోనే? సరే సరే, నేను ఒకసారి చెక్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, 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 ఓకే. Right, so we launched the Semantic Backup Exec user interface. Let me close this window in the background. Uh, as informed, yeah, we're using trial version and well, yeah. Uh, okay, so let me adjust the screen once. Uh, it's still loading up, guys. Backup Exec user interface. Maybe because it's a test environment, that's what I'm feeling. It's taking its own time. Yeah. Let me and, okay, so this is the backup exec GUI now. Okay, so go back to the backup and restore. Now we have to create a storage here. Click on configure storage. Okay, let me quickly check how much free space we have on a local C drive. But this guys, remember, always recommend to have a dedicated drive connected to the server if you want to create a backup disk folder. Since this is just a test, I'm just using I'm just creating a folder, my test folder, which I'll be using for backups here. So it's a disk-based storage. I already highlighted it. Click on next, and so I'm not using any legacy backup disk folder, which was previously used by any previous backup exec version. I'm creating a new one. So click on disk storage. Click on next. Alright, so this is the name and the description. My test B2D. So whatever name you can give, whatever name you want. So the local disk folder is so this is the name, right? So yeah, so I'm creating under a C drive. However, you can also create using on a network drive, but ensure that you have a proper connectivity between your server and your UNC path. Okay, click on next. Concurrent write operations 2 or 4 or 6, 8 depends upon how many jobs you have, but ideally the default value is 2 here. So click on next here. So yeah, this is the configuration. If you click on finish, it will create a folder under my local C drive. Just creating. I'll quickly go back here, click on refresh. So okay, where is that? The test folder, where is that? So this is online. So click on details. Okay, so our information is B data, the path is. So it is going to a different path. So it automatically configured its path to CB data. So B data, this is B data. So this is my folder. So this is what it is. Okay. Now, so this is how you'll create a backup disk folder. Okay. Or if I click on home or click on storage, so it will show my disk-based storage, total capacity of 30 GB. Okay, so this is my local C drive. Click on storage, it will show my storage here, my storage details. Okay, so this is how you'll configure your backup disk folder, guys. Okay, and yeah, the other thing I want to show, this is how it will be showing. Okay, so storage state online, disk storage, uh, showing capacity. Okay, currently there are no jobs configured. And other thing, you can if you want, you can disable it. Okay, and so it gives the red mark here. So if you click on uncheck this, it should go to green. You can pause. This is the pause symbol. So these are the various alerts that you have to remember while troubleshooting backup disk folder. Okay, so inventory and catalog, now you can perform these two operations on backup disk folder also. Okay, and you can run diagnostics. So guys, this is about a backup disk folder. Okay, and yeah,